everybody and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. For today's video, I was going to do a get ready with me for my externship. However, as I got to thinking and as I was prepping for this video, I realized it would literally be like a 30-second video because to get ready for my externship, I literally throw on my scrubs, put on some chapstick, and fill in my eyebrows with the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil, which I featured in a Fears video, and I don't even do that every day. So instead, I figured I would show you guys the scrubs I've been wearing lately and give you guys a quick review of them. As always, they will be linked down below in case you're interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. So for me to get ready, like I said, I throw on chapstick, I throw my hair up, I put on scrubs, I put on shoes, and sometimes if I'm feeling like it, I'll fill in my eyebrows. I figured I would talk a little bit about the scrubs I've been wearing. These are from a company called JAANUU or JAANUU. I've heard it pronounced both ways, and I have talked about them here on my channel before. I actually worked with them 2 years ago when I was in the respiratory therapy program. Let me tell you, those are my absolute favorite scrubs, and I wore them so many times that I actually wore them out. They became faded, they got holes in them, they held up for 2 years, which is great because the quality of these scrubs is awesome. I was given the opportunity to work with them once again 2 years later, and I'm so happy I did because now I'm on a new journey of being a medical assistant, and I figured I would give you guys another review. So this is the top, and I also have the matching bottoms. They are a matching set and they are both in the color wine. However, they are not matching sets in terms of style. They are two completely different styles, which is what's great about JAANUU. They have so many different styles you can mix and match, endless options, endless color combinations. And the top I'm wearing is the mock wrap neck top, and one of my absolute favorite things is that there is this little bungee hook right here that you can throw your badge on, which is nice. A lot of the times I do have to put my badge here and it does pull my shirt down a little. When it's over here, it's just a lot easier, especially when you are taking it and pulling it to swipe into a computer or into a door. And then this is the cut that I really like, that the mock wrap part goes right across here. It is not actually a wrap, that's why it's called a mock wrap, so it doesn't like open or anything. And as someone with a bigger bust, I hate scrubs that have like a line across here or underneath because it never sits where it should. It also has these really nice big pockets, and it also has a zipper right here that opens up. I'm not too sure why. I don't know if it's to make it easier to get on. I do not have to unzip it to get them on. I don't know if it's to like air them out or what. I don't use it, but it is there. And then for pants, I just got the 6-pocket drawstring pants. They're just your typical straight leg scrub, and what's really great about these is I thought for sure I'd have to hem them, and I don't. I am 5'3", which means I'm short. And for shoes, I don't wear clogs, I don't wear dance clothes or anything, which normally would give you a good inch or two of extra height, so you may not have to hem scrubs. I don't. I wear regular flat sneakers, and with these, I do not have to hem them, and it's so nice because half the time, even when I get petite scrubs, I still have to get them hemmed. They are super comfortable. I love that they do have the elastic waistband, and like the name suggests, they do have 6 pockets. There are 2 regular pockets right here, and what's great is that they aren't angled, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about anything falling out. On each leg, there is a pocket, and they are pretty roomy. And then again, there are 2 pockets on the butt. There's one on each butt cheek. And if you were shorter than me and you did have to get them hemmed, you could easily do so because they are a straight leg. All they have to do is be folded and sewn, and then they are all hemmed for you. So that is my quick get ready with me. I wish I could do an entire full get ready with me. However, I really can't. It takes me 30 seconds in the morning to get ready and go, which is why I figured I would include that little review. If you guys would like to see an entire week's worth of scrubs, I can definitely do a scrubs of the week video and show you guys. I did a scrub collection a couple months ago. However, my scrub collection has grown a ton since then. So if you guys would like to see either an updated scrub collection or a scrubs I wear during the week video, or both, be sure to let me know in the comments because I can definitely do that. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more medical assisting related videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!